Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials: Android version, storage, and a reliable network. Install the VPN app or copy manual server details now. Don't stall. Grant required permissions, network access, and app installation so the VPN can create a secure tunnel. Once done, sign in or import configuration files and accept the VPN profile prompt. Make sure to disable battery saver briefly because aggressive power settings can stop background VPN connections. This prevents immediate You now configure the connection. Pick WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN/IKEV2 for broader compatibility and security. This affects battery and latency. Enter server, port, and authentication fields exactly or import the avpin/conf file to avoid typos. Once connected, enable DNS leak protection and the kill switch to prevent data exposure if the VPN drops. If you need local network access, set split tunneling for selected apps. After adjustments, run a quick connectivity test to confirm routing and acceptable latency. You finish by validating the tunnel. Check your public IP and test key apps to ensure traffic flows through the VPN. If the connection is unstable, toggle airplane mode or reboot the device to clear stale routes and DNS cache. Make sure the kill switch remains active after reboot. If problems continue, switch protocol or port or re-import the config. Gather logs and contact VPN support with timestamps. One tip: capturing a log before seeking help speeds diagnosis and resolves issues faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.